we've got some great specials for you in February, and the first is called Deeply in Love. And we include your choice of one of these 3 flexi pans that we are deeply in love with. So first, one of our favorites is our Deep Flexi Flat, or you can choose the Straight Muffin Tray, or one of my personal favorites, the Deep Heart Tray. So one of those 3, plus the set also includes our French Pantry Lavender Honey and our Natural Bond Flake Salt. So each of that whole collection for $79. Our second February special is called Drops of Deliciousness, and you will see in a minute why it's just called that. So it includes our La Petite Grater, which I love and use a lot, our pastry bag and set of 4 tips, which I also use a lot, and then this little guy, which you haven't seen me use very much, but if you tune in to one of my cooking classes this month, you're going to see me make some delicious chocolates in here. So this is our teardrop tray. So this is really a fun tray for specialty items, little chocolates and little butter patties, candies, you name it, really fun drops of deliciousness. So this whole set is only $59 and it retails for over $91, so great savings as well. And our third special for February is called Love Triangle. It is going to be your choice of 1 oil or vinegar from each category. So you're going to get 3 total for $37. So you'll have 3 in each category. You pick your love triangle. And I was going to share my love triangle with you today. That would be the Tahitian lime oil, the Herbs de Provence oil, and of course, the barrel-aged traditional balsamic. So all 3, $37.